Hello everyone, our today's topic is tree plantation in school by students. Let's see the material required for the drawings. Pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black macro tip pen, 1/4 size drawing paper. First you have to draw 1 centimeter bottle onto a page, then write down the heading on the top. On the left hand corner write down today's date. Now we are going to start our drawing. First, we are going to draw one sleeping line. This is a line for dividing a background and foreground. Now, we are starts drawing on a human figures. Human figures should be one width in height and minimum four human figures required for the memory drawing. Drawing should be light so that if you goes wrong somewhere, we can erase it and change it easily. Otherwise, it's very much difficult for us to correct our drawings. You should use 2B pencil for drawing. Here I am using a clutch pencil for the drawing, but if you want to use a drawing pencil you can use it. You must use 2B or 3B pencils because these pencils are very much soft and perfect for the basic drawings. First we are going to roughly draw human figures and then finalize with all the details. Here I am already drawn on a rough figures for you so that it's easier for us to show on a demonstrations. That's why first I am roughly draw on a human figures and put on a details on it. Here I am showing two views of the human figures, front view and the side view, so that we can show all the dimensions and the positions of the human figures. Two girls are there, one is from the front view, one is from the side view. Now I am going to draw one boy who is sitting there and planting on a tree there, so that there is two standing figure, one is sitting figure. So there is lot of varieties of the human figures I am showing here. This is a basic memory drawing for the school children, so that for the basic learners and if you want to learn a memory drawing, this is a beginner level memory drawing, and this is very much base for you how to draw human figures and how to arrange on a memory drawing on a paper. The human figures must be one width, that is at least minimum 15 to 20 centimeter in height, so that you can easily show on a subject properly on a paper. Very small human figures showing an incomplete information and knowledge about a memory drawing, and this is a perfect way to arrange a drawing on a paper. After showing a human figures, you need to show some background. Here I am showing some trees, small plants, some grass, and this scenario is around on a school premises. These all the details we are not showing very prominently. This is roughly we are going to draw, because the main thing this is the four human figures and the plantations of the tree. So I am showing one school in a background. This is our school. This is the main gate of the school, and now we adding some details in a school so that we can show the feel of the school. Now we starts coloring. First we apply on a transparent wash on a paper with some basic colors, yellow, green, yellow ochre, so that we can divide on a background and foreground in a two parts. Now we add some shades and patches on a objects like tree, we adding on a dark green color. Shirts, cloths, we adding some tones like shirt I am applying an orange color, and for the pant I am applying on a brown color. These are the basic tones we apply on a surface so that we can take on a feel of the objects, and then we add some details and dimensions with the tones. These are the basic tones we adding. For the school uniform I am taking a gray and white combination, and here for the white I am taking an off-white color so that we can afterward add a dark and a light color. You should start with the middle tone of the color so that afterward you can add dark and light tones of the colors. While applying on a colors, you need to apply on a transparent color in first wash, and afterward you need to increase an opacity of the color. For the hairs I am taking a combination of blue and brown color. I'm not directly using black color here. You must understand one thing, you should not use a black color in a first wash or the application of the colors. You must use a combination of blue and brown color. And for the skin tone, if you have a fresh tint color you can use it, otherwise you can use yellow ochre, red, yellow and white combinations. And for the shades of the skin color you must add brown or the yellow ochre color so that you can show three dimensions. You at least show on the three tones of the colors, light, middle and dark, so that you can show on a roundity of the colors and the shades. We get on a dimensions to the object, like here on a shirt I am showing on a dark shades by adding on a red color in a orange and slightly blue color in a brown so that it gets on a dark tone. First we add dark tones and then finally we adding on a light tones so that we get on a three dimensions, and in the final steps we add highlights with the white color. This is the step by step procedures of the coloring for the memory drawing as well as the other forms of the drawings. Here for the gray colors I am adding slightly blue color in the off-white color so that we get on a darkened tone. Left hand side I am adding on a dark tone because lights come from the right hand side part. That's why the opposite side should be dark. Only left hand side parts and the lower sides we are adding on a dark tones. Upper sides and the right hand sides we need to keep on a base tones so that afterward we add on a lighter tone on a skin and objects. Here we add on a dark tones and a dimensions on a objects as well as the human figures. You can see I am adding on a brown tone in a skin color so that we can show the depth in the eyes and the nose and the left hand side part of the skin, and some tones on others objects also we add there by adding brown and blue color in a base tones. Also we show some slight details like leaves. Slowly we highlight all the things from the memory drawing. Now we showing some lighter tones on a memory drawings. We adding on a lighter tone on a human figures by adding white color in a fresh tint color. Upper part and the right hand side parts we adding some lighter tones, and also the upper part of the grass and the plants we adding some lighter tones because its lights come from the sun. This is the universal source of the light for us. Now we trace this drawing with the zero number brush and the combinations of the black and brown color. We are not using a black color here for the tracing. In the material list, I am adding a black micro tip pen for the tracing purpose. If you are not comfortable with the zero number brush tracing, you can use black micro tip pen for the tracing. But if you are doing a tracing with the zero number brush, you get different dimensions and the stroke of the brush. So it's very much professional and very much important for you to learn this technique. This need a practice. I know this is a basic assignment for the memory drawing, but if you learn this technique, this is very much useful for you because you can easily find out the difference between the black microtip tracing and the zero number brush technique here. All the objects and the dimensions and the human figures, objects, everything I am going to trace with this zero number brush. If you find difficult or tracing on a drawing with a zero number brush, you can use a black microtip pen instead of zero number brush. All the objects and the details we are going to add with this tracing technique so that the objects and the human figures are come out from these color applications, and we are adding an extreme details in these drawings. All the eyes, nose, expressions of the human figures we are adding here with the zero number brush so that we can show the dimensions as well as the expressions, movements of the human figures as well as the objects here. And now you can see how the human figures and objects come out from these color applications. All the details we add here. You can see the boy and two girls are now highlighted in this paper. After this tracing technique, we add an extreme light here or the highlight here with a white color, and if we need any details we can add it here. Otherwise, this is our final step for the memory drawing. As well as in the background also we add some details, like in a school buildings we add some details. We are adding on a school board with the calligraphy as well as some details inside a school building so that we can show on a feel of the school here in a background. As well as you can see here we are adding details on human figures and the expressions of the human figures. You can see all the four human figures I am going to highlight it here with the tracing, and now they got their expression as well as the movements. The teachers is showing on a instructions to the students how to plant on a trees, and students also enjoy the planting of the tree in a school premises. These are the scenario we are showing here. This is a motivational topic for our students as well as the teachers to plant at least one tree in our school, as well as wherever you get on a place you can plant one tree. This is a topic for our students as well as the teachers. I hope you understand this topic very well as well as the procedures and the demonstrations of the memory drawing here. After tracing this drawing, I am adding an extreme highlight on the objects as well as the human figures by white colors. This is a technique of the memory drawing, how to apply colors, how to start and how to end in a memory drawing. First, you need to arrange on a drawing on a paper, then put details on a drawing, then apply on a wash in a background as well as the foreground, then adding some tones on a human figures as well as the objects, then showing and the dimensions with the three tones light, middle and dark, and after adding all the dimensions we trace the drawing, and finally we add highlight as well as the extreme details. Here I am write down the board of our school, and finally we adding a highlight on a human figure as well as the objects. I hope you understand these demonstrations very well. In next memory drawings we learn more motivational topics as well as the topics which are very much close to us, so that you can understand memory drawing very easily as well as we can enjoy on the topics. Here I am adding a shadow for the memory drawing objects as well as the human figure, so that we can show on a dimensions finally. For better understanding and a better memory drawing, you need to practice drawing and the painting of the memory drawing. So keep on practicing. Thank you. Best of luck.